Mastering the phrase, promise not to tell. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might encounter in conversations, movies, or books. Promise not to tell. Understanding this phrase is crucial for mastering the nuances of English communication. So, let's explore it together. Promise not to tell is a phrase used when someone is about to share a secret or confidential information with you, and they want to make sure you do not reveal it to anyone else. It's a request for trust and discretion. When someone asks you to promise not to tell, they are seeking your verbal commitment to keep the information private. 1. Promise. A declaration or assurance that one will do something or that a particular thing will happen. 2. Not to tell. A request or instruction not to disclose information to others. Combining these, the phrase asks for a commitment to secrecy, emphasizing the importance of the information being shared. In personal conversations, when sharing personal or sensitive information with a friend or family member. In professional settings, while discussing confidential company information that shouldn't be disclosed to unauthorized individuals. To respond, if you agree to keep the secret, you can simply say, "I promise," or "Your secret is safe with me." If you are not comfortable making the promise, it's important to be honest and say so. The use of promise not to tell varies by culture and context. In some cultures, sharing secrets can be a significant act of trust, while in others, it might be less formal. Understanding the weight of this phrase in different contexts is essential for effective communication. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, promise not to tell. Remember, being asked to keep a secret is a sign of trust. Whether or not you choose to accept that responsibility, it's important to respond with honesty and consider the implications of your promise. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.